This is Steve Pastillo from P2 Automation. In this next video, I want to show you the next step we follow if a claim is requested from one of our customers. You can see across the top we have a business process flow for our case management process. The next step in the process is claim requested. To get there, we'll select New Case and then move on to the next stage. When we do that, a few things happen. Over here under the items list, you'll see we have a new column called RMA number. We need to create an RMA in our ERP system and record that number here. We also get two additional tabs, Case Detail and Claim Requests. Let's start by entering those RMA numbers. What we could do is select one or more of our tags and click Edit. Then simply type in the RMA number. And they can be different, they can be the same. And then just save your changes. Next, we'll click on Case Detail and enter additional information about this case. For example, we need to enter information about the billing company and the shipping company, and they can be the same company or they could be two completely separate companies. You can either search for that company, or if you know the company number, you can just type it in. Next, you'll enter the sales order number. And if there were more than one sales order number, you could just enter it here. The total quantity that was ordered, and this is in pounds. Select or enter a reason code. The quantity damaged. The gross claim amount of all items. The customer credit will be calculated, so you can skip over that, and that's indicated by the lock icon. The total cost. Any added freight. And then you can skip over the vendor claim, plant claim, and scrap, because those are also calculated. And the only thing left is the reship value. And you could enter 0 if there is none. When you click Save, all of your numbers are calculated for you. We also have a section down here for comments if you need to enter those. And that's it. In the last video, I mentioned that we did not use the out-of-the-box Cases module for Dynamics 365. And here's a primary reason. There are so many custom fields that we'd have to add to that module anyway. It was just easier to start from scratch and give the client exactly what they needed. Nothing more, nothing less. In our next video, I'll walk you through how we use the Tasks submodule to make sure this case is handled by the right people at the right time. If you'd like more information about how we can help you with your customer service needs, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.